Here's a quick video on how to disassemble modern Dell flat-screen HDMI monitors so you can ship it or transport it. Not all monitors are like this, but many Dells nowadays are. First, I'm just going to lay it down flat with the face down to get at the backside and the bottom of it more easily. So first, on bottom, there's usually a screw that holds the base in place. The screw has a part that just easily flips over, and you can use that to unscrew it. It should just stay in place as you remove the base and set it aside. Next, you might be inclined to remove these screws in the back, but you don't need to do that. Now in the back, toward the center of the monitor, there's a little lever that in some cases you can lift and loosen up to make it easier to pull out the last part in the next step. Or you can just lift it while you do the next step. Then the final step here is to take something like an eyeglass, a screwdriver, or a toothpick, or something else small and straight, and poke firmly into the little hole in the back. That will release the mount, which you can just slide off. And you're done. Make sure not to lose any parts. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.